Hi guys, this is Simon Sage from iMore. Today we are taking a look at Angry Birds Space. It is a very popular physics game that comes from a fairly popular franchise. Odds are good that you've played an Angry Birds game in the past. We are playing the iOS version here, and as you can see, the Angry Birds are looking a little bit different. The main difference here between previous versions is that you have planets that change the way physics works, so it definitely makes the kind of tried and true slingshot action a little bit different. So as we could see on this particular level, we've got a couple of little piggies here that we're trying to take out. The plot line goes, the pigs have stolen the birds' eggs, and you're trying to take them out in a fit of rage and vengeance. So you can see here that the guideline is changing a little bit. It curves based on the gravitational pull here. You can also change how hard you're slinging the guys based on how far back you're moving your finger from the slingshot, and you can change the angle. There are also different kinds of birds that do different kinds of things. I think right now we've got just the standard vanilla one. Oh no, that's the bomb one. So they make stuff explode, which is handy, especially in 0G, because it sends debris flying everywhere. We've got one of the, this is one of the birds that fires 3 at a time. You have to tap the screen once they're in midair in order to activate it. So, oh no, that is the dive bomber. This one you have to tap wherever you want them to dive. It's a little bit tricky to kind of make them out when you're this far zoomed out. It depends on the level. We can give this a quick replay here and see what they're actually supposed to do here. So we've got dive bomber over here. There we go. Maybe we can get the other one. Sweet, there we go. So now we've got 2 more left there. Let's see if we can get them. You'll also notice up here that we have the Super Eagle here. We might actually just... No, we got to do that at the beginning. Those are... what they're called Space Eagles, sorry. And basically you win them through the course of gameplay. And there we go. That's going to open up a black hole, and it's going to suck absolutely nothing into it. Got limited uses on those, but you can also buy more of them if you like. You can see up here we've got an Eagle high score, so if you're sure that you can get a great score with one of these things, then you hold out for those particular levels. And that last guy, there we go, cool. So Angry Birds Space, it doesn't only sell the Space Eagles as potential prizes. Here we go, we can see that. There we go. I got a Space Eagle feather. I'm not even sure what I can use those for yet, but we can head on back to the main menu. You can buy Space Eagles if you like. Here we go. So you can get 20 of them for $1. But the irritating thing here is that you also have to pay in order to get 1 extra levels here. This is the danger zone. It gives you a 1 sample level, but you got to pay $1 for that. This also is not a universal app, so the iPhone version is 99 cents and the iPad version is $2.99. So they're definitely kind of pushing their luck at this point. I mean, I've played Angry Birds plenty, so I don't want to. I really don't need it that badly that I've got to pay extra on the in-app purchases. So personally, I mean, I've played a little bit of Angry Birds, but I've found this is definitely a lot more stimulating. The physics are much more interesting. We could try another level here with some interesting gravitational fields here. And you can see that it will wrap around that planet. Go right in there. So if you've ever played the Mario Galaxy games, you'll definitely appreciate this brand of gameplay. For 99 cents, it's not bad, and on Android there's a free version to boot, so I'm definitely enjoying it. But again, if you've already played plenty of Angry Birds as is, this could still have some freshness to it. You know, there's a lot of fun to be had here, and lots of levels, as you can see. I'm up to 25 here. We got a few more. I think that's 30 total, and then I believe the Cold Cuts planet opens up another 30. Anyway, this is Simon Sage from iMore.com, and this is Angry Birds Space.